Next is the Visex Jelly Eugenio Wherever brushes. This brush set is mainly good if you are traveling and if you also like being precise with your makeup look. Ang napansin ko dito is unang best ko siyang tinry without washing pa, and after the first wash, meron na siya agad na tusok-tusok factor. Pero hindi lahat. There are specific brushes lang. I can't really point out or I can't really remember kung ilan. But both sa face brushes and brush set, merong mga pieces na may tusok-tusok factor na siya agad. So, I also tried washing it the second time and unfortunately, meron pa rin mga ganong tusok-tusok factor. So, I don't know where it's actually coming from, but when it comes to the eyeshadow brushes, yun yung pinakagamit ko for the other face brushes. Mas nagagamit ko talaga siya for buffing out or for smoothening yung edges, for blending out, since ganun yung structure na. For its component, I think this is one of the most durable na component na na-encounter ko, since hindi siya wood, so hindi siya madaling mag-crack unlike the other brushes. So next is the Happy Skin